What's up everybody, this is Nick Baker from Steeltooth Combs, and today we're talking about Templeton Tonics Oasis Clay. Alright, so it's a clay. I'm just going to start wetting my hair and show you the scoop and get right into styling. So first thing I want to do with my hair is get it damp. The clay is going to absorb a lot of the moisture in my hair to give it a nice textured look. I'm not someone that really likes to blow dry much, so alright, let me just dry my hands off. Now I'm gonna show you a scoop on this thing. Alright, so here we go. It's kind of like a wet scoop. Like the top is a little tough, but then like once you get in it, it's like really smooth. Alright, so that's the texture of it. I'll show you like the breakdown. It's pretty gritty. Gritty but smooth. Okay, so let's emulsify this. Get this in the hair ASAP. I like to go just like kind of from front to back and hit the sides and make sure to just get coverage, you know, the rest of the way. Let's work that in. Not really much tug and pull, just enough to let you know there's something there. Now to start off, I'm going to use this comb. It's got wider teeth because I want to have a little bit of texture. The clay is gonna give me texture. It's just kind of like a characteristic of the product. Okay, and then the sides here. Okay. Alright, now that I've sort of have the shape that I want, I'm gonna add a little more product just so I can kind of work the front up a little bit, maybe get a little more texture on the sides here. And it's not going to be a very big scoop. It's going to be a smaller scoop. So, you know, maybe like this much. Also, make sure we get the back down, and now we're just going to kind of add some roughness, some texture. Maybe pull the front up. Give it some nice volume. Using this the smaller tooth comb to kind of like fluff up my hair a little bit, and then use a wide tooth carbon comb. Add some comb lines, a little more volume. Kind of like the finisher. Okay, that looks great. And then we're gonna go back to this comb just to get the sides down a little bit because they're being a little bit stubborn. Just get a little closer to the mirror here. All right, and yeah, the hair looks great. So I can leave just like this and be perfectly happy. I can, you know, you can play with your hair a little bit and, you know, make it a little more messy if you wanted to, have more height, bring it out a little bit. There's a bunch of stuff you can do, but the way I like to sort of leave would be, you know, just like this. It's like not too much volume, clean. There's like evidence, so you know, some good texture, and you know, the sides are down, and this would be perfect for me. All right, so here's the front. Here's my right side. Here is the left side. All right, so the packaging on this, it's like a desert, you know, holographic, pretty cool. Really cool artwork on this packaging. And then, you know, this is the side. So this is brewed up in Seattle by one guy. This comes from a family of barbers. His last name is Templeton, so hence the name Templeton Tonics is the name of his company. I believe he started off making tonics for hair. This comes in a variety of scents. There are a lot of them are forest themed, and you get to pick them out when you're purchasing the product. And another thing is, like, the ingredients on there are super wholesome. So this is a water-based firm holding clay. It's just made up of water, candelilla wax, kaolin clay, sea clay, PEG 40 hydrogenated castor oil, broccoli seed oil, hemp seed oil, polysorbate 80 polyglycerol oscillate, I don't know, essential oils for fragrance, phenoxyethanol, sorbic acid, and I don't know, K-proglycol. I don't know what those products are. But one thing I noticed about this is when my hair is dry, I can use this product and it'll like really add a lot of moisture back into my hair. It's really nourishing. So I think like maybe use the hemp seed oil or the broccoli seed oil or something. These are kind of like unique ingredients to this product. And I noticed that I actually use his tonics as well. So when my hair starts to get kind of dry, I'll use the tonic, let that sit, and then a few hours or maybe even a day later, I'll use this clay. And it's a little ironic that like a clay, something that sort of absorbs moisture out of your hair, will actually give moisture back to my hair. It adds nourishment. So yeah, really good products overall. Templeton Tonics tends to make, but Oasis is definitely my favorite clay on the market that I have tried to date. Yeah, this is definitely like something I would highly recommend. It's super easy to use. It's wet going into the hair, and then once it's in there, it dries up nicely. But if your hair is like still soft, it's still malleable, it washes out very easy, and it just it gives you loads of texture. You can kind of see like the longer this product's in my hair, the more texture I'm getting. So yeah, if you're in the market for a clay, definitely pick this up. It should definitely be a staple, in your collection. A lot of people use this as a daily driver, and yeah, I'm definitely on board with that group. So Templeton Tonics, yeah, hope you guys have a great day.